to adjudicate an election where he's competing. Of course, that should not surprise us anymore. I spoke, and I also want to add a few words on the ongoing non-aligned movement summit. It is indeed meant to be a blessing to Uganda if Uganda was well governed, but it has turned into a curse. So to all of you that are attending the NUM summit, you are actually a curse to our nation. It's because of that summit that more than 3,000 businesses have been either disrupted or completely closed. You have seen businesses disrupted, many of our people rounded up and detained, just like it was in the days of Chogam. Today, transport has been completely disrupted. We as nationals who pay the taxes, we are not allowed to use the roads that we pay taxes for. So it is a curse other than a blessing. And as if that's not annoying enough, it's a further shame to see some democratic leaders coming to Uganda hosted by an illegitimate leader. You are being hosted by a man that has captured us on gunpoint. He's not a legitimate leader, so you are here to endorse oppression against the Ugandans. You're here to endorse dictatorship. We know that there will be a day when we shall have summits that will be beneficial to the businesses of Uganda and to the people, and will bring pride to Uganda. I mean, are you not surprised to see that Museveni's minister is ordering us to smile as you pass our roads?
Not deliver a free and fair electoral process, cannot uphold the will of the people. It's the reason we have to focus our attention on recovery of our sovereignty, of getting back the authority of the people to ourselves. So I must commend all the leaders who have assembled this morning here for your courage. I know there are factors militating all of us, but my call to all of you, the FDC in particular who are here, my call to all of you, let us embrace the vision of working together to deliver our country from the doldrums. That is my call.
Activities from time to time, beginning with this Thursday. This Thursday we would like to announce to the public that you are all aware of the dire situation we are in terms of infrastructure. Everywhere you go in the city, our roads are impassable. We have potholes that can qualify to be lakes. We can even do fishing in our roads. We are announcing to the nation that wherever there is a pothole in the roads that you are using, on Thursday the forces of change, together with all citizens of Uganda, let us do something. Let us show the world that enough is enough. And that while we use roads that are detrimental to our health and are affecting our mobility, the guests are only allowed to use the better part of the roads that we have in the country at our expense. We are to pay for the roads because those roads, majority of them are constructed on loans. These loans, it's the Ugandans that will pay them. We need to do this so that the visitors can know that while they are using the better roads, the citizens who will pay those taxes are using bad roads. So wherever you are, get a banana plant, put it into a pothole, get fish, take care of the fish in the ditches, go get mayuni, plant, and so we can also beautify our potholes in another style.